Mr. Speaker, I want to go on record that I'm a very, very disappointed senator. Mr. Speaker, I combed through the court decision that nullified the housing bill. And I came here as a senator knowing that I'll get the benefit of getting 20 minutes so that we can reason together, Mr. Speaker. But instead, Mr. Speaker, you want to push things down our throat by even denying us the right to speak on behalf of the people of Nyamira who have elected us. This is not the democracy that we fought for. And we must suffer collective shame. All over the world, Mr. Speaker, a Senate, an upper house is a deliberative house. We don't mind you pushing through laws, but give us a right to at least go on record that we have said what we need to say as the minority side, Mr. Speaker. What am I going to say in 4 minutes, Mr. Speaker? This is the High Court decision I'm holding.